All right. Well, as you know, I have COVID and my voice, it's not really as versatile or as durable as I hope. So I do not think that I can go through the entire review uh, with you through this video, but I will certainly go over some of the questions that I would say many students may tend to miss those questions one by one. Okay, so if you can bear with me, and I will show you how to guarantee that you will get things absolutely correct. Okay, on the test. Now, let's start with number one. Okay, now things like number one, it's always going to be somewhat challenging for certain students because they always have this kind of confusion. Okay, let me go ahead and write out what should be done first. As I said in class, it's always important that you use parentheses for substitution. And then you look at x is equal to a -2, so put in -2 right there, and then put in -3. Now, things are actually pretty straightforward, but then some doubts, okay, that people may have, okay, such as do I distribute the minus into the parentheses first, or do I not? Okay. Now, that tends to be a very common mistake. Like they would do this. Okay. Now I mentioned this in class, and I even made a meme about it. Okay. Now the answer for this, it's actually very simple. Now, first, I would ask, do you know what square means? Square simply means, multiplying by itself. How many times? Two times, right? So if I want to break this whole thing down, well, negative of -2 times -2, that's what negative 2 squared means, right? And then 5 times -3 times -3. Like if you find yourself having this, you know, um, this uh, this impulse of doing the wrong thing, then I would say it's really important that you see what the notation truly means right here. Well, -2 times -2, it's going to be a 4. So that would be a 4. The negative right here, it stays. It doesn't go away. Okay, we did not apply it. And then we have -3 times -3, which will be 9, right? So I'm sorry, right there, 9. So this is how you see and prove yourself that we shall never ever multiply the 5 into the parentheses, then you do the square. Never do that, okay? Never ever do that. That's just uh not logical in any means or ways. Okay, so we just go ahead and finish up. We say -4 plus 45, that would give you a number 41, and that's it. Okay, so it's really straightforward if you write out your notations. I don't really teach you to do anything extra for no good reason. And if I happen to write notations all the time, it's because it's going to serve some good purpose. So if you follow my guidance, then you'll be just fine. If you don't follow my guidance, however, then I would say um, just be careful with the work because you might come to some ambiguity and you may confuse yourself because of the lack of notations. So, so that would be for number one. Okay, number one.